Sailor Moon, what?
I'm the Sailor Moon.
We're at Marie's in Duryea. We're picking up breakfast, and we found out that they have tripe. So you guys are going to get a two-part episode today.
Breakfast and lunch.
Let's go. Sorry we're not at Marie's, actually, because we had to take it and go. We had to come to work. But wait until you see the food for breakfast. Look at that. Oh, my God. Perfection on a stick. That's what I got to say. Wow. Now, you can't even tell which one's got egg and which one's got egg white. So,
Unless you look at the lid.
of course, unless you look at the lid. Thank you, Angeline. So, without further ado, we're going to have him take a bite into his. I'm going to take a bite into mine, and we're going to tell you what the breakfast is like. Let's go, Murph. Look at that. He's going to doctor it up with some pepper. And, of course, he's got to throw liquid sugar ketchup on it, of course. I can never eat ketchup on my breakfast sandwiches. Have you? Put us throw it down in the comments down below. All right, man.
My favorite.
Is there any tripe on here?
All right.
And this is what the egg white one looks like. All right, here we go.
Don't get it on your white shirt.
So good. Can't even tell there's egg whites there. Feel like I'm eating sausage and cheese.
Nice.
What do we think?
I love the breakfast sandwich.
Me too.
You can't go wrong with the hot sausage, chicken, cheese
No.
on a hard roll.
Nope.
It's my go-to. I didn't eat all of the bread. I had enough bread yesterday. and I was happy I found a couple of ketchup packets around the office.
How could you put sugar on your breakfast sandwich?
I'm going to buy a bottle of ketchup now.
Does anybody else do that? Because I could never. But breakfast was a hit, so we're going to go do some work. We'll be back, and we're going to bring you a special lunch treat today. The Holy Grail is in there. So,
come back at lunchtime.
come back at lunchtime.
I'm a foodie, love to eat. Oh yeah, every meal it's such a treat. Yeah, taste the flavors, spice so sweet. On this journey can't be beat.
All right, guys. Golden Grail of tripe is here from Marie's Diner down in Duryea. Look at that. All right, you guys. Going in. Look at that texture. It's so good. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Did you ever think a diner can have tripe? Have you ever had tripe here before? Let me know in the comments down below. Wow. That tastes like stew. It tastes like vegetable stew. It doesn't even taste like tripe. Let's get Mr. Murphy's opinion. You need to try that tripe.
I need to try the tripe?
I took a taste.
You already took a taste?
If I told you it tasted like vegetable stew, would you believe me? Am I right?
No. When we talked to, what was the gal's name at the front counter?
Angelina.
So Angelina said, you know, once I tried my mom's sauce, I'm never going back to anybody else's sauce. And this is delicious sauce right here. Now, when you buy the tripe, don't be afraid, because it does say that it has tripe and hot sausage in it. But there's only some ground hot sausage in it. I think it's more to flavor the sauce than it is to mask any tripe taste or that. So if you're going to eat it, don't be afraid that it says it's got hot sausage, because it's not that hot.
And Murphy's scale.
I'm sorry, I'm giving them a 11 out of 10.
Ooh! Marie,
Baby.
you nailed it. We never give out 11s.
11
Never,
out
ever,
of 10.
ever. So you have now joined the rank with Rossi's and Honky Tonk. And what's the one of them, the name in Daleville? Mendocinos.
Mendocinos.
I don't think we give out any other 11s, but
That's it.
well done, my friend. And if you guys like this episode, check out the playlist of everywhere we've been. Let us know in the comments down below where you want us to go next. See you in the next episode. I'm
Bye,
going to finish
everybody.
this tripe.